Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, kembali lagi channel saya ZNV. Guys, hari ini saya dapat orderan Maxim. Musri, Pak? Iya. Nah.
I see her rolling up, Uber on his face. Off the liquor that we chase, got some needles to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's the same.
Oh, pecah di rumah sakit lain kan, nah itu kan rumah sakit cerita kan. Iyo, mana? Sini, mana aja, yuk. Sini, Be.